exercise 12C is same as exercise 11E, but the only difference is in exercise 11E we only have one side, but in exercise 12C we are having two sides. Just like x by 2 plus x equals to 9. In this question we are having LHS and as well as RHS. Now how to solve this question? Process is same as you have solved in 11th E. So x can be written as x by 1. Now find LCM. So 2 and 1, your LCM will be 2. Now 2 is a multiple of 2, and as you know 2 1s are 2. So 1 into x plus 2 is a multiple of 1, 1 2s are 2. So x into 2 whole upon 2 equals to 9. Now 1 into x will be 1x plus 2 into x will be 2x whole upon 2 equals to 9. Now you can transpose this 2, you can transpose this 2 to the left hand side. So first 1x plus 2x will be 3x equals 2. Now 9 into 2. So 3x can be written as 3 into x, and 9 2 ja 18. So x equals to 18 by 3, 3 1 ja 3 6 ja. Finally x equals to 6, which is your required answer. Then second question is same, third, fourth, fifth I am solving here. X by 3 minus x by 4 equals to 2. So in denominator we are having 3 and 4. So first we will find LCM of 3 and 4. So 2, 3 will be 3, 2 2 ja 4. Again 2, 3 will be same 3, 1. Then 3, 1 ja 1 ja. So 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So our LCM is 12 here. Now 3 is a multiple of 12. Sorry, 12 is a multiple of 3. And as you know, 3 4 ja 12. So you will multiply x by 4 minus 12 is a multiple of 4, and as you know 4 3 ja 12. So you will multiply x by 3 upon 12 equals to 2. Now 4 into x, 4x minus 3 into x, 3x upon 12 equals to 2. Now transpose this 12. So 4x minus 3x will be 1x only, and 2 into 12. So 1x can be written as x only, and 12 to ja 24. So x equals to 24 is your required answer. Then question number 6. Y plus y by 2 equals to 7 by 4 minus y by 4. Now in this question we are having y by 2 then equals to 7 by 4 minus y by 4. Transpose this minus y by 4 to the left hand side. So on transposing you have to write y can be written as y by 1 plus this will be y by 2. Now transposing this y by 4 with negative sign, so plus y by 4. On transposing minus y by 4 to the left hand side we have to write plus y by 4 equals to 7 by 4. Now here in denominator we are having 1, 2 and 4. So find LCM of 2 and 4, starting from 2, 1, then 2, 1, 1. So your LCM is 4. We got your LCM 4. So our LCM is 4 now, and as you know y by 1 and 4. So 1 4 ja 4. So we will multiply y by 4. Then 4 is a multiple of 2. 2 2 ja 4, so y into 2. Then 4 1 ja 4, so y into 1. Whole upon 4 equals to 7 by 4. Now y into 4 will be 4y plus y into 2 will be 2y, y into 1 will be 1y upon 4 equals to 7 by 4. Now you have to transpose this 4. So 4y plus 2y plus 1y. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7 along with y equals to transpose this y to the right hand side. So you will get 7 by 4 into 4. 4 1 ja 4 1 ja. So you got 7y equals to 7. Now this 7y can be written as 7 into y. Already taught you about constant and variable when you are having values like 4y, 7y, 5x. So there is a relation between constant and variable multiplication equals to 7. So y equals to, we will transpose this 7 to the right hand side. So here we are having relation of multiplication. On transposing this value to the right hand side, we have to write this value in denominator. So 7 by 7. So 7 1 ja 7 1 ja. Finally y equals to 1, which is your required answer. Then question number 7 is same. I am solving here question number 8. Question number 8 is 1 by 2 m plus 3 by 4 m minus m equals to 2.5. Now this 1 by 2 m, 1 into m, we can write this as m by 2 plus 3m by 4 minus m. This m can be written as m by 1. Now we are having 2.5, so we will write this as 25, and after decimal we are having one place, so we have to write upon 10. Now here we are having 2, 4 and 1. So your LCM of 2, 4 and 1 will be 4. Then 4 is a multiple of 2, and as you know 2 2 ja 4. So you will multiply m by 2 plus 4 is a multiple of itself, 4 1 ja 4. So 3m into 1 minus 1 4 ja 4. So m into 4 whole upon 4 equals to, you can cut this. So 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10. You can write this as 5 by 2. Now m into 2 will be 2m plus 3m into 1 will be 3m minus 4 into m into 4 will be 4m upon 4 equals to 5 by 2. Now we are having like terms m, so we can add or subtract. So 2 plus 3 will be 5m minus 4m. Now transpose this 4 to the right hand side. So first you will write 5 by 2, then into 4. Now 5m minus 4m, so 1m equals to 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 5 into 2. This 1m can be written as m only, and 5 2 ja 10. So we got here m equals to 10, which is our required answer. After this, question number 9, 10, 11 you can solve. Same questions are there. Then question number 12. Question number 12 is 0.6a plus 0.2a equals to 0.4a plus 8. Now we are having here 0.6a, 0.2a, 0.4a. So transpose this 0.4a from right hand side to the left hand side. So 0.6a minus, sorry, plus 0.2a minus 0.4a equals to 8. Now you are having 0.6 plus 0.2. So 0.6 plus 0.2, you will get 0.8. Then 0.8 minus 0.4, you will get 0.4. So 0.6 plus 0.2, 0.8a minus 0.4a equals to 8. Then we got here 0.4a equals to 8. Now 0.4a can be written as 4 by 10 a equals to 8, because after decimal we are having one place, so we have to write 10 in denominator. Now this 4 by 10 n can be written as 4 by 10 into a equals to 8. Now we have to find a, and we are having fraction here 4 by 10. So we can transpose this fraction, and here we are having relation of multiplication. So on transposing we have to divide 8 by 4 by 10. So a equals to 8 into 10 by 4. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. And finally 2 into 10 will be 20. So a equals to 20, required answer.